Oh shit, boy, I think I'm lost, boy. Look at that mountain. I'm not climbing up that motherfucking mountain over there. I could jump the creek. I came that way, but that shit's like a mountain. I'm not going. I came the other way the other day. I'm about to see if I can go back that way. Yeah, man. Shout out to all the real niggas. Blue wrench nigga. I'm just a regular nigga. A lot of shit. New environment, new place. I could jump right across there if I wanted to. I'm athletic as a motherfucker for real, boy. I ain't gonna try to dunk never again though. But I used to dunk. I used to dunk like shit. But yeah, man. Motherfucking 3-gay. Short bus ass nigga. Fuck you say this nigga died, nigga. You serious? Fuck is you on, nigga? Retarded ass seal looking down. Brave freak. Nigga look like a fucking seal. There's people walking and shit. That's it. It's nice as hell. You don't need no coat on. Don't need no coat on. I'm not hit, nigga. I got these Puma runners on, nigga. Do some parkour down this motherfucker. You want to go across the tree? SMTV. I called him SMTV1. He got mad and shit. Oh, where's your drunk ass all the way over here? And bitch, over where? Nigga, this the cyber block, nigga. That shit's a tap away. Nigga, I ain't never tried dog you slow ass nigga. You slow too for real though, Holmes. Don't play with me, nigga. You know I fuck with you. Don't get on my bad side. Don't get on my don't get, cause nothing scares me. Yeah, these niggas be so tough. Long waist worry so tough. That for the cloud chaser though, he put the fight up for a minute. I got to see some of that shit for free. So I wasn't leaving my motherfucking warm and cozy place. I was relaxing. I said, oh shit. I seen some of it. I seen it today though. I seen it today. Damn, this shit is crucial down here. I'm definitely about to get me a dirt bike. Yep. 4-wheeler or a dirt bike or something. This shit is lovely. Yeah, man, these niggas wild though. These niggas still trying to come up off the pop smoke. That's fucked up, man. Let that man rest, man. These niggas keep wanna be smoking dead people. Like that shit cool. Damn, this shit look like where the Ewoks and shit was at. Look. Go right across there with no problem. I can run across there in the middle of the night. I ride a dirt bike across that bitch. Yeah, man, that shit wild as hell though, man. These niggas is wild, man. This nigga Schemo keep putting a fake video up and keep trying to tell niggas the video's the real video. Man, what the fuck is wrong with this nigga? The motherfucking spotlight gonna put the hands on Mumra. OG Product. No long chatting. I fuck with Product though. He's a Bama nigga, but I fuck with him though, cause he's not like these other Bama niggas like that really be super capping. Like Product, he understand, dog. Like he's different, dog, but he's a Bama nigga though. Oh shit. Got somebody living over this motherfucker or something. I told you I heard Bigfoot down here the other night. Right, let the 30 go. I'm out here, man. Just a Lincoln Park nigga. I don't get no fucks. Yeah, man. Just a motherfucking Lincoln Park nigga, man. You know. Block boy, man. Back row actually had shit. Dub about to come home. Free Dub out the mud, man. That's my nigga. I can't wait till that nigga hit the streets. Free Dub, bitch. You know what I'm saying? My nigga stay home. All can, man. Stay home, man. This nigga Beatty bought a touchback down. Told his ass, stay home, man. Stay away from them certain niggas, man. Them niggas smoking that juice, man. That wet, man. That shit ain't what's up. That booga, that shit ain't what's up. Y'all niggas doing that shit, man. Y'all can just already know I'm not even gonna fuck with you. Anyway. God damn, I gotta cross this motherfucking obstacle. Damn. Look at this big ass tree, boy. Joe big as a motherfucker. But it ain't nothing. Bring the kids down here. I can't bring them this far though. Yeah, though, I'm out. Bitch.